Hello friends and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of watermelon seeds. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. Watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds is also called tarbooj ke beej in Hindi. It is one of the nutritious seeds. Scientific name of watermelon seeds is Citrullus lanatus. Watermelon seeds are very nutritious. It contains proteins and vitamin B. There are a lot of seeds in the watermelon and it comes in two colors, white and black. White seeds are immature seeds and black ones are fully developed seeds. These seeds can be enjoyed in a number of ways. Watermelon seeds in its other forms, like watermelon seed oil, or in powdered form, can also be enjoyed. They become a truly wonderfully delicious snack. Watermelon seeds contain linoleic acid, which prevents heart attack, stroke, and is great for the skin. Watermelon seeds have many health benefits, like it is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals like copper and zinc. It boosts your heart health, keeping your blood sugar level under control and increases your immunity. The seeds are high in calories. The health benefits of watermelon seeds are growth and development. Watermelon seeds contain proteins and amino acids, which are essential for the proper growth and development of the body. It also helps to proper repair of tissues of the body. Increase energy levels. Watermelon seeds are high in calories, which are enough to increase the metabolism of your body and increase the energy of it. Control blood sugar. Watermelon seeds contain magnesium, which help to take control of increased blood sugar by lowering it. It also maintains the insulin sensitivity and slows the release of bloodstream in the body. Lower LDL cholesterol levels. Watermelon seeds contain a high amount of dietary fiber, which helps to lower the cholesterol level of the body. Bad cholesterol is bad for our body, which is responsible for many diseases like heart attack, atherosclerosis, and stroke. Watermelon seeds lower the level of bad cholesterol and increases the level of good cholesterol in the body. Improve immune system. Watermelon seeds contain lots of antioxidants, carotenoids, and B family vitamins, which are responsible to minimize the strain of immune system and to improve it. It also helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and oxidative stress. Prevent osteoporosis. Watermelon seeds contain manganese, iron, potassium, and copper, which are responsible to strengthen the bones. This also reduces the risk of osteoporosis and keeping your bones strong. Lower blood pressure. Watermelon seeds help to improve your heart health. It reduces the risk of heart attack. Watermelon seeds contain omega-6 fatty acids, which help to lower the blood pressure. Potassium helps to reduce the strain of cardiovascular system and regulate the blood pressure. Improve nervous system function. B vitamins like niacin, thiamine, folate, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid play a very important role in human body to keep it healthy. Watermelon seeds contain all these B vitamins, which improves the activity of nervous system and regulates the metabolism. B vitamins also improve the function between the brain, muscles and organs so that they can communicate properly. Improve male fertility. For the male reproductive system, zinc is very important. Watermelon contains good amount of zinc and manganese, which is essential to enhance the quality of sperms in the male body and improve its infertility. Aids in diabetic treatment. Watermelon seeds can prevent type 2 diabetes, which is done by omega-6 fatty acids. Magnesium also lowers the blood sugar in diabetic patients. Improve brain health. Magnesium found in watermelon seeds help to improve the memory. It also helps to reduce memory lapses that occur with aging. Magnesium also controls the Alzheimer's disease. Enhance digestive health. Magnesium activates the enzymes that absorbs the nutrients in the body. This helps the body to break down and digest the food better. Magnesium also helps to produce and transport energy during digestion. Strengthen hair. Watermelon seeds are very beneficial for hair. Because of magnesium it contains, it helps to promote the hair growth and prevents hair damage. Zinc also promotes the recovery of hair follicles, making the hair stronger. Cleanse skin and improve skin health. Magnesium is a very important nutrient and the watermelon seeds contain enough amount of nutrients to meet the person's needs. Watermelon seeds improve the skin texture, treat skin issues and reduce acne. It also helps to balance hormones. Magnesium helps and cleanses the skin, reduces wrinkles. Zinc also helps to treat the wounds faster and reduces herpes. Slow down aging. Another great benefit of watermelon seeds is it slows down the aging process, making the person look younger and beautiful. Both magnesium and zinc play an important role in slowing down the aging by playing a role in cellular repair and cellular aging. How to buy and store watermelon seeds. If stored properly, watermelon seeds can be used for up to 5 years. It should be stored in an airtight container in cool, dry and dark place. Always keep the watermelon seeds away from moisture and humidity, as it can ruin the seeds. Watermelon seeds are available in watermelon fruits. Safety profile. Eating excess of watermelon seeds can cause diarrhea, and no other risks have been found until now of eating watermelon seeds. Fun facts about watermelon seeds. Over 1,200 varieties of the fruit are grown across the world. In China and Japan, watermelon is a popular gift to bring to a host. Every part of watermelon is edible, the seeds and even the rinds, though they may be difficult to digest for many people. Watermelon is grown in over 96 countries worldwide. The heaviest watermelon has grown in Tennessee in 2013 and it weighed over 350 pounds.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos.